Want that horn, loser?
Get out!
Somebody stop him!
You are busted! Cops will be here soon!
We're here with Mayor Rushmore for a one-on-one exclusive. Mr. Mayor, thank you for being here.
Happy to be here. You made some changes to the studio since I last saw it.
Well, it was a long election.
What is this? What the hell, a fixer? I made too much noise in the loop. This guy's found me. Well, now I better find him. Jordy's job will have to wait. Shit, he's trying to hack in. Maybe if I trace his signal back, I'll find him before he breaches my phone. There you are. You're mine now. Got him. That's one fixer down. Now, how many more are out there? Well, someone's taken an interest in me. Fixers are mercenaries. They work for a paycheck. Someone's issued a contract on me. That's bad fucking news. If I remember right, these guys communicate through the grid.
Get out!
Get low!
Oh, my grid connection's down. I'd love to take on one of these guys. I'll have to wait. All right, now I can deal with Jordy's job. Some kind of driving contract, delivering a guy somewhere. This won't be a typical taxi service. The trick with these jobs is avoiding the